This is so cool.
I'm gonna stay by that. I'm kind of scared.
Cool.
I'm gonna follow Daddy now. Daddy, no. No, Daddy! No! Daddy, no!
Wait, let me see how big those are. Wait, did you get one in here? Oh, there it is.
Can I see?
This is how big they are. That's big.
Wait, what is it?
That's very big.
It's so slippery. I can't get it. Where is it? Put it where it?
Oh, right here. It's big.
I'm gonna eat it.
Don't do that. It's been on the ground.
What? It fell on that ground. I think Archie's scared now. I miss Archie now.
Look at the window.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, not again.
Yeah, again. It looks like it's raining.
What is
Look,
this
when
rain?
over there, remember? A flood. And now
flooding
it's
again. It's a ring.
Look, we can see right here.
Oh, we
I
can
can
see
see it. I can see it.
We can see through here. a
Oh,
little.
look, there's kind of mud up there.
I can see through this one. A little.
I can see through this.
There is mud out there. That tree just fell.
What? Oh.
It fell when I just came in here. When you guys were over there at the front, it fell over. That thing just fell in front of my eyes.
Oh, look, Cooter looks like slime. Look, this whole thing, and it's dripping. But look, how it's still.
Daddy,
Look.
guess what? There was a there was a carpet that was up there and literally just flew off.
Look,
And I
it's
think I saw a
slime.
trash can
Look,
too.
It's dripping, and it's all going down here, and it stays up there.
Oh, look, it broke.
What?
Daddy, look. The screen broke a little.
Because you guys are pushing it out. Push it out.
Wait, is it getting? It's getting in here again.
It's getting in here again.
We should close that.
The water is getting in here. You can see.
Look, see? See?
Don't do that. No, this is for mommy.
Oh, look, it's stopping a little bit. Wait, can I look right here? Oh, that's flood.
Oh, there's a flood. Wait, did I get the... Oh, I don't have notifications on. I didn't get the flash flood warning on here. Let's go check out the back. Oh, I can't see that window. No, I'm not really hungry. I ate the last sandwich. Wow, those are big. Those are actually big.